Hello friends. Today's word is osteogenesis imperfecta. Osteogenesis imperfecta. It is a serious disease, the molecular pathogenesis of which is being elucidated, and it bears a superficial relatedness to dentinogenesis imperfecta. The disease results due to mutations in COL1A1 and COL1A2 genes, which are responsible for synthesis of type 1 collagen, which results in both qualitative defects, that is abnormal type 1 collagen molecule, and quantitative defects, that is decreased quantity of type 1 collagen. The main clinical feature of this disease is extreme fragility and porosity of the bones, with an attendant proneness to fracture. Other feature includes pale blue sclera, deafness due to otosclerosis, abnormalities of the teeth, laxity of the ligaments, a peculiar shape of the skull, abnormal electrical reaction of the muscles, and capillary bleeding. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep learning.